TechMate is a smart assistant from TechClinic. It helps with device repairs, buying new tech, trading in old devices, and recycling electronics. It also provides answers to common questions about e-waste. Let's start with the trading service. TechMate first collects key details about your old device. Once all the information is submitted, you can review and edit each entry if needed. Based on what you provide, TechMate gives an estimated trading value and recommends new device options that match your budget. After you choose your preferred new device, you can select either home delivery or in-store pickup. TechMate will then gather the necessary details to complete your order. If the user chooses home delivery, they'll be asked to select a time slot within business hours from tomorrow up to 14 days ahead. Time slots that are already booked won't be shown. The recycle and shop features follow a similar flow to the trading process, so we won't go through every step here. The repair feature lets users book a repair, reschedule an existing appointment, or access step-by-step guides to try fixing the issue themselves. The booking flow is similar to other services but uses a different API. Unlike other services, repair appointments are in-store only. Users will need to bring their device to a service location. Throughout the conversation, TechMate includes multiple confirmation steps to help users review and correct their inputs. TechMate also answers questions about e-waste, helping users better understand how to dispose of electronics responsibly. At the end of each service flow, TechMate checks if the user needs anything else before closing the chat, making sure all questions are handled in one smooth session. Throughout the conversation, if a user enters something unrelated or off-topic, TechMate will gently guide the conversation back on track. When collecting information like device type, address, or other details, TechMate checks if each response is relevant and complete. If something's missing or unclear, the system prompts the user to re-enter the correct information. For scheduling appointments, TechMate automatically validates the selected time. It checks the format, ensures the time isn't in the past or more than 14 days ahead, and confirms it falls within business hours. If a user selects an unavailable time, either outside working hours or already booked, TechMate notifies them and asks for another option. If an entire day is fully booked, TechMate will inform the user and help them choose a different day. And that is all for this video. Thank you for watching.